First, I will guide you how to germinate cucumber seeds very effectively. I will use one thinly sliced onion and spread it on the surface of the pot filled with soil. Place the cucumber seeds on top and spread a thin layer of soil evenly. Spray water evenly and leave in a cool place. The cucumber seeds will germinate faster. Onions not only provide nutrition, but also prevent insects from spreading disease to melon seeds. While waiting for the melon seeds to germinate, I will collect materials to plant them. My supplies today include one plastic bucket, one plastic bottle, absorbent towel, and one bag. I used sacks to line the plastic bins so the soil wouldn't fall out. And I used plastic bottles and absorbent towels to create an automatic watering system for the melons. Cucumber is a taproot plant and needs a lot of nutrients when growing, so today I use rice husks and worm castings mixed into the soil to grow cucumbers. rice husk mixed with soil makes the soil loose, prevents erosion, and provides long-term nutrition for crops. In addition to providing nutrition for crops, vermicompost also has high antibacterial properties, is resistant to pests, and is non-toxic. After germinating cucumber seeds using my method, 6 days later, the cucumbers have sprouted into healthy plants. Now we start planting them. After planting, remember to pour water into the plastic bottle to provide long-term water for the plant, helping the soil have stable moisture for the plant to grow. My cucumbers have taken root after 15 days, are stronger and more beautiful. Now I can take care of them and stimulate them to grow better. First, I will use a tiller to remove weeds and loosen the soil. After tilling the soil, we should add some organic fertilizer to the plant to provide enough nutrients for the plant to grow. Add soil to the pot to create more soil for the plant to grow better. And I always reuse the rice husks and spread them evenly on the surface of the pot. It prevents weeds from growing, loosens the soil, and also provides nutrients. Then we soak the plastic bottle in water again. We use bamboo sticks as trellis legs for the cucumber plant to climb. Our cucumbers are 20 days old. Now the cucumbers need a certain amount of nutrients to grow taller and flower, so we need to take care of them. First, I use bamboo sticks to make a trellis for the cucumber plants. After making the trellis and guiding the cucumber plants up the trellis, I will reuse the worm castings to fertilize the plants and add water to the plastic bottles to keep the plants hydrated. At this time, the plant is very sensitive to the weather and susceptible to pests, so I use 1 clove of onion mixed with water and spray it evenly on the plant, helping the plant to produce many healthy flowers and protect the plant from insects. And the 35-day-old tree is growing well, has produced small fruits, so to concentrate nutrients for the tree to develop fruit, I will cut off the old, wilted leaves at the base of the tree and add more fertilizer and water to the tree. months later, looking back at the cucumber plants I planted, it's amazing. The results are really worth it. Now I just need to harvest and enjoy. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.